Railroads.
These were one of the greatest advances in technology during the Industrial Revolution. The railroad was first made in Great Britain by a man named George Stephenson. They were manufactured from the 1830s to the 1860s and have been more technologically advanced since then. Railroads were essential to the Industrial Revolution due to its ability to transport goods, soldiers, and animals, to name a few. Before railroads, goods and equipment would often not get to their destination on time. The railroad was the solution. Finished in 1869, the Transcontinental Railroad was the first railroad to link East and West U.S. together, starting in Sacramento, California, and ending in Council Bluffs, Iowa. The railroad also made transportation and shipping cheaper and more efficient. The railroad changed the world by leading to new methods of transportation, such as bullet trains, cars, and planes.
So, who knows what the future might hold?
But that's just a short history.
It's durable.
It's fast! It's amazing!
It's railroads. So if you're going slow, buy a railroad.
You should buy a railroad!
Dang it. You stole my ticket!
This isn't my ticket. Hey, what are you looking at?
Didn't I tell you to buy a railroad?